we start with this tutorial, please make sure that you have a non-stick omelette pan which is 6 inches to 8 inches in size. You will also need a wooden or a silicone spatula. Use a gas burner for cooking your omelette evenly from all sides and for better results.
To make a French omelette we will need whole eggs, 3 to 4, milk, 2 spoons.
Milk will keep your egg moist and prevent it from overcooking.
A knot of salted butter.
You can also use unsalted butter or cooking oil. If you choose to add salted butter, you can skip adding the salt.
Crushed black pepper.
Cheese and chopped herbs can be added, make your egg even more flavorful.
We will now begin with our lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to us yet. Also don't forget to hit the like button below.
Take 3 to 4 whole eggs depending on the size of your pan. Now break the eggs into a bowl. While breaking the eggs, make sure that there are no broken shells which might have fallen while cracking the eggs. Now add 2 spoons of milk and whisk the eggs. Whisk generously to ensure that the egg yolks and egg whites blend in together. After whisking, your eggs will have a bright yellow color and will look like a custard. You will now need an omelette pan. You can also take a non-stick frying pan in case you don't have an omelette pan available with you. Add butter to the pan. Keep the burner on low flame to avoid the butter from burning. Once the butter is melted, add the beaten eggs to the pan. Cross-check the heat of the burner and start stirring the eggs. Low heat of the burner will also stop overcooking and overbrowning of the egg. If the eggs are not stirred properly and left in the pan for a long while, the eggs will coagulate and lumps will be formed. After a while you will see that your eggs have started to cook. Keep stirring until the eggs mixture stops flowing. With the help of the spatula, fill in the empty spaces. You can also tilt the pan to spread the egg evenly. Let the bottom of the omelette cook for 8 to 10 seconds. This will let the egg cook and help you in rolling the egg. Carefully scrape the egg and fold to the sides of the omelette towards the inside. Doing this will give your omelette sharp edges and help us retain the shape that we are looking for. After folding, keep pushing the egg like this towards the corner of the pan. This will help us to give it a shape, and with pressure of the spatula the raw egg will squeeze out. Since our pan is still hot, the egg that has flown out will get cooked and conceal the edges of your egg. This omelette can be enjoyed with a toast, grilled tomatoes, sausages, or anything of your choice. You now have an egg that has a soft melt in the mouth texture and is ready to serve. If you have liked this video, click on the subscribe button below and press the like button. Thank you for watching. We will be back again with another video soon.